Little monkeys lost bananas. Little monkey live in a house in a big tree. He never boast has things in order, so the house very messy. One morning, little monkey could be house heard shouting from his tree house. Where are there are gone my bunch of bananas. Where have they gone? Little monkey asked the bee, did you eat my bananas? Buzz, responded the bee. I eat nectar and pollen. I don't eat bananas. Little monkey asked the snake, did you eat my bananas? Responded the snake, I don't know anything about your bananas. Don't disturb me. Little monkey was hungry. I had searched where I